I saw this tip online where they put the pickled radish at the side here so that the liquid soaks up at the tip so it's easier to roll. I like to do that and then flip it. This is today's breakfast. Let's have a jasmine tea today. It's actually pretty hot today, so I'm gonna add ice into this cup. Cheers! Good morning. Let's go do some shopping at Costco. I'll see you guys there. Welcome to Costco in England.
They're too big.
They're roast chicken. Oh my gosh, this is too heavy though. Ian can do the heavy lifting. Why you look like you're struggling? Yes! You gotta get free samples, and today's free sample is coffee, which is perfect because I haven't had any today. We just got back from Costco and I really like their bagels. So we bought 2 of them because there's a promo. If you buy 2, it's like cheaper. And we have the everything bagel and their plain bagels. And I can't usually finish this in time, so I freeze them, and I'll show you how I pack them in my freezer. I cut them up in half first and then I stack them like this so they don't stick to each other, and they're really easy to take out of the freezer. And I just reused the bag that it comes with and just stacked it in like that. Pop this in the freezer and you just toast it whenever you want to eat it. And then these ones that I keep out, I'm going to leave them whole and then only cut them when I want to eat them. That way it stays fresher for longer. For lunch today, we're gonna eat some of the grapes and strawberries that I bought, and We're gonna try these mini mandus. I also got this giant tub of kimchi because it's a lot cheaper in Costco actually compared to the Asian supermarkets. And I find when you have the tub, it doesn't stink up your fridge and it lasts pretty long as well. I wonder how mini mandu is. Oh, they're actually really small. They're so small, I can't tell. Like, is that way too many? It goes into the air fryer for 3 minutes at 200 and then flip them over and then another 3 minutes. I'm not gonna flip them one by one. I think the dumplings are done now. They look really crispy. They're actually so tiny, the size of my thumb. I think sweet chili will actually go really well with this. For the fruits, I also have these cute fruit picks. If you're the type that really likes dumpling skin and you like it to be a bit more crispy, I think the mini dumplings are really good. And this variety of grapes is my favorite because the skin is just so crunchy. Okay, let's go share this with Ian. Try. Do you like these small ones better?
I like the big ones. More meat.
Really?
Actually, this one very crispy.
I'm gonna use some smoked salmon for today, but I'm not gonna finish it all. So I'm gonna freeze some of it. There's actually so much smoked salmon. Delicious. This one's for Ian. I'm just gonna have half a bagel because when I eat both sides, it's just too much for me. I'm gonna use a fork and knife.